Hello everyone, welcome back to Complete Hacking Tools in Kelenanos. Today lesson we are really focusing on how to set our virtual lab setting. We use VMware for our hot setting virtual lab. The reason be that we don't want to partition our hard disk into two so that we will just make a dual boot. That is not good for us because we need to set our virtual environment to practice the computer hacking tools. So without wasting my time, let's go and download our software. We will use VMware software instead of VirtualBox. The reason is that VirtualBox has a lot of programs, and I will strongly recommend VMware for you. So without wasting my time, let's go and download it and let's install it. So right now we are on google.com. So let's search for VMware VMware workstation. All right, just go here. Just click on the first link and let's download it. We have listen. We have two setup for Linux and Windows. So let's download it for Windows. Either Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Windows 11. It's all the same. Let's download it first. All right. I have already downloaded, but let's download it. All right. I have already downloaded. That's why I I I stop it. That's why I stopped the. All right, finish downloading the our workstation Pro. Uh, we just need to install it, but unfortunately I have already installed it on my PC. So here, so I'm not wasting my time to install it again. So you just continue to install it. Just click on next. And if you face problem with the port, maybe you have already installed XAMPP, just uninstall the XAMPP first and install the VMware first before you continue to install the XAMPP. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson. Thank you. My name is Yahaka. I'm signing out for this tutorial. Bye bye.